We're back. As you can see, we've got the candles and they're pretty much set on the top anyway, but in the middle they'll still be soft. So what we're going to do is I've got these beautiful shells that came from Tarthra Beach, and I'm just going to arrange them, just push them through the top, just so they get stuck in there. Some other shells. Just arrange them how you like. I usually like to do a bit of a line pattern, like so. Just like that. Push them in so they stick. Okay, now the other one, I'm going to do the same sort of thing, but I'm also going to use some gold leaf. Such a versatile. Now we'll pick a corner, we'll do this corner I think. Such a versatile decoration. Spin that one around. Now we'll pick these up and make them even closer to the screen before. Gold leaf. I think the gold leaf will just go beautifully with that. Just another little bit there. Just give it a good press down. And what I might do is just use one of the pieces of shell just to get that one stuck in there. Beautiful. Pick this up. So this is what we've got here. A big shout out to Pinay Living Down Under. This candle's going to you. And then we've got a lovely, lovely Santa. And once that sets completely, we'll be able to take the wick, this wick catcher off. And that will also look lovely. Now, while I've got you, this is how the rainbow one came out. It hasn't quite got all the purple, but you can see some of the purple come through. So very successful. Smells beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun ideas and things that can be done with or without the kids. See you later, bye.